In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Lucidchart. We're going to keep it simple and get you comfortable with the basics so you can start building clear diagrams fast. First, open your browser and head over to lucidchart.com. If you land on a welcome or sign-in page, just proceed into the editor as you normally would. The goal right now is to reach the workspace where we can create and edit a document. Give the page a moment to load. Lucidchart is a web app and a brief pause is normal. Once you're in, create a blank diagram. Look for the option to start a new document and choose the blank canvas. This gives you a clean space with no predefined shapes or layout, which is perfect for practicing lines and structure. If you like, rename the document at the top so you can find it later. Take a look at the left side of the screen to find the Shapes panel. This is where common flowchart symbols, containers, and other visual elements live. You can drag these onto the canvas at any time. Knowing where shapes are located will help when you start connecting ideas, but for now we're focusing on the simplest building block, the line. Up in the toolbar, click on the line tool. Depending on your view, you might see options for straight lines, elbow connectors, or curve connectors. Choose a basic straight line to start. If there's a style menu nearby, you can set the color, weight, and whether you want arrowheads on one or both ends. Picking a style first saves time later, but you can always change it afterwards. Now draw a line on the canvas. Click once to start, move your cursor to define the length and direction, and click again to finish. If you hold shift while you draw, the line will snap to perfectly horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree angles, which helps keep diagrams tidy. Notice how the canvas offers alignment guides and snapping. Those cues make it easy to line things up precisely. After the line is placed, you can select it to adjust properties like thickness, color, arrowheads, and line pattern. You can also click and drag the ends to reposition them or attach them to shapes from the left panel when you're ready to expand your diagram. Use zoom controls to get a closer look, and remember you can undo any change if something doesn't look right. That's it. Simple, clean, and ready for more.